Okay, so today I'm going to show you a new product that will help you set up online academies, and you can create courses that you can either create yourself, you can have your own courses there, or you can use their ready-made courses. So this product has a bunch of ready-made done for you courses that you can plug in. Of course, you will need to buy the done for you courses too, and you can then sell those courses. So either sell your courses or sell the done for you courses. It's totally up to you. And it is going to set up the complete academy, which includes the sales page. They do have multiple layouts for the sales page too, plus the learning experience. So it's a complete course platform website. Let's take a look and see how it works. Well, this is called Eduzign, and I've already set up my academy. So you need to set up an academy when you start. And to do that, you got to go to academies, which is the first option. I have set up my Teknikforce Academy while I was checking it up, and I have this URL called teknikforce.eduzign.com. And if you access it, you will see a public facing homepage, a public sales page. There is even a cart system. So whatever courses you create, right now there are no courses, but when you create courses, they're gonna show up over here and people can order them. So it's kind of like a Udemy-like experience. It's not set up correctly yet, but of course you will need to do it. Now let's go back in and check out a few things. So there is a system to multi-language. There seems to be an AI writer, so you can write very quickly something, but I think we can use ChatGPT just for that. There is a quick action console board, which lets you add courses, add a lesson, add student, or enroll a student, notifications bar. And on the left side, you can create a new academy. So I'm going to do that first. Let's call it the Tomato Academy. And the URL can be tomatoes.eduzign. That will be the URL. And of course, you can use CNAME. So you can have a custom domain, and you can use CNAME to point any domain to this subdomain URL that you will have. Now, I don't have a tomatoes logo, so I'm going to use my own logo. Let's do this. Here we go. Click on submit. All right. So here we have the Tomato Academy. There are a couple of options. You can visit the business. We already did that. You can edit it, select it, which means it will become the current business. And then if you add any courses or anything like that, it's going to be added to that. So there's a dashboard which shows you how much money you made. Well, it's a new business, so I haven't made any money yet. You can find the links to courses, students, enrollments, the training. Training is this training, so it will tell you about the software, the bonuses, and support. So let's start with courses. And I don't have any courses yet. Let's add a new course. But before that, there is a DFY course. So I'm going to use the DFY course. So DFY courses means ready for you courses. You can just sell them. There is even a suggested price point, I think. And all you need to do, well, there's a bunch of it. I see that there are 2,000 courses. Wow. You can see the category that the courses can be an ebook or a video course or a learning course. I think it even supports quizzes and all. But I don't see, like in the free courses, I see only ebooks so far. Yeah, let's just take it to 100. Let's see what else they have. There's also information like the total number of sections and lessons in the course. All right, let's try this. Master your money. I will click on import, and you don't have a category yet. So money mastery. Okay, so there is no way to select a category from here. I will just import it in all. So now the course is imported, and maybe I'll see it on the front page. I'll accept this. All courses. Okay, so far no. Manage courses. Yeah, active course 1, I see it. View course on the front end. So this is completely set up for you. You can start selling it right away. And there are options like go to course playing page. I think this is the delivery page. For that, I think you need to log in first. Academic progress, edit this course. Let's edit it. So there is already some content in here. You can see this is the course builder. There is a live class. You can put in a Zoom link with a schedule. You can put in some information about the course here, like the basic page, put a description. Like this, create a category. So I think I can create a category here. Well, not really. So we'll see where we can create the categories. It has an autoresponder integration. And I think when you do the autoresponder integration, you will get the list too. There are 2 languages supported so far, English and French, and there is drip mode also, active course, private. So these are 3 options. You can have it as an active course or an upcoming course, and you can make it a top course, which I did. Once you're ready, click on next. I will not have an FAQ. You can have requirements, like tell people, what they need to know to be able to take this course. For example, let's put in an outcome too. Here we go. Next. You can choose to make it a free course or a paid course and give a discount coupon also. Make it a lifetime or a limited time offer. Set the price that you want. And you can create an overview, a video that you can put in over there that will show people what the course is about. You've seen it on many courses. Let me just embed one of my videos from my channel, Teknikforce. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, well, you're watching it there. So make sure you subscribe to this, right? We make a lot of interesting stuff, including trainings, and these are free. So here we go. Next. If you want to put in some keywords and meta description, that's possible. Finally, click on finish. So I think I missed something. Courses. I wish it would have told me this right there. All right, let's start from beginning. Curriculum is fine. Academic progress, I'm not so sure. Zoom live classes, don't know. Basic. Okay, I don't know what to select here. Info, let's just put some information. All right. And hopefully this time, please fill all the required fields. All right, I'm gonna add a category. Let's see if that helps. So click on course category. I think this will show me the list of categories. I'm gonna call it Money Mastery. No parent category, no icon, no thumbnail. Click on save. And I think the category was highlighted as required and I somehow didn't have it. I might like to refresh, so I will need to fill it all over again. So I'll just see you in a couple of minutes. All right, so before you can save this, you have to select a category. So I have created the category. You have to select a subcategory too. So there are going to be 2 categories that you need to create, the parent category and then the subcategory. So that's what I did. To do that, click on add new category. Over here, then select the parent, for example, Money Mastery and earning more money. For example, that's the skill. Put in a category title over here and you can submit it. So now it will show up over here. I just added it. So this is the one that I added earlier. This one will show up when you refresh the page. Once you're ready, let's go back here. Next, 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 next. And submit. All right, so this finally worked and you were able to submit the course. Now the course is available. We have the categories too. You can create coupons if you want. If you want to give a discount, you can create coupons. Add new coupon. And you can generate a random coupon, like have a 20% discount. Click on submit. There is an expiry date also. I set it to today, so definitely you want to change it. Let's say May. All right, saved. Come back to manage courses. I want to take a look at the course we just created. Here we have it. and view course on the front end. You can see my description showed up. Your skills showed up, requirements showed up, all the things came in, the skill level, expiry period, everything showed up, right? Next, you can create ebooks. I haven't created any ebooks yet, but you can create ebooks by clicking on add new ebook, put in a title, description, category, thumbnail, and then you can put in the pricing and put in your preview file. So you can put in PDFs, the preview PDF and the complete ebook too. Click on finish, you'll be able to sell ebooks. This is where you can see the people who enrolled with the courses, right? So enrollment form, you can search for users and courses to enroll. Well, this is interesting. Let's call it, I don't think we have any users yet, right? So we can't enroll any users. This is the enrollment history. Our revenue so far, nothing made because it's a new product. Purchase history, I think this should say sales, honestly. Students, you can manage new students, you can create students. If people are added manually, that's possible. So that's a good thing because you can create any other sales page or promote the courses in some way, and you can add students manually too. So you can put in first name like Cyril Gupta. I'm gonna leave the biography and everything else. Login credentials, put in your email, password, social information if you want to put in social handles, and click on submit to finish it. Now the student is available, and now you can enroll that student in courses, right? So for example, Cyril, right? And then you can choose what course to enroll in, and now the student will have access to that particular course. You can see the enrollment over here. Next, message. You can message your students directly. They will receive an email like that. You can send a message, they will receive an email. So it's like very interactive that way. And in contact, you can see all the people who are connected to you. So far, I don't see anyone. I thought the student data will be available here, but no. All right, interesting. Blog, you can create a blog and you can have articles on it. Click on add new blog. Let's see that. Look at the editor. This is the description, blog banner, blog thumbnail. I guess this is where the blog article actually goes. So title and the article itself. In settings, you can set up this entire academy. So you can have the name, title, website description, which is academy description, slogan, system email, address, phone number, language. If you want to disable email verification. So all of these settings you can put up. In website settings, you can have things like your banner title. Now these are all the things that are gonna affect this website, right? So start learning with Eduzign, for example. If you go to the main page, this is what you will say, but you can put in your own caption. Study any topic anytime. Cookie status, whether you want the cookies to be there or not. For your Facebook profile, Twitter profile, LinkedIn, the cookie policy, message, about us message, terms and condition, privacy. You can set up everything over here. In the home layout, you can select how exactly you want your page to look. So there are 6 different templates that you can choose from. We have this one right now. I will just change to this one, and you can see the templates changes. And remember, everything here, everything else over here, all these things, they are changing depending on what you put in these boxes, right? So there are complete setup. There's a complete setup information available. Motivational speech. You can have, these are the sections on the home page that you can collect, that you can control, right? If you don't want any particular section, you can turn it off. Okay. Website FAQs, contact information for you, reCAPTCHA if you want to enable it. All right, nothing happened over here. Logo and image. These are all the logos that you can put in to, of course, change your home page. Everything is over here. Finally, custom code. If you have any custom CSS information that you want to put in, you can put that in here. I just closed it. Let me just go back to it in a moment. So here we are back again. Custom codes, I told you about it. Then you have drip content. Now this product supports drip content. If you remember what drip content is, you can choose to show the courses or show the course items to the students one at a time based on the spacing that you want. So if you want to release like a video every week or a lesson every week, you could do that. If you want to release a lesson every day, that's doable. That's through drip content, right? And you can drip content with when people view. So if people view the courses earlier, they will be able to unlock further courses. Yeah, there is a certificate. So if somebody completes a course, they get a certificate. This is the certificate template. You can modify it. There is also the autoresponder. You can have MailChimp, GetResponse, or Aweber. Any of these 3 autoresponders you can connect. And of course, the Zoom live classes have the links in here. And payment settings. So if you want to set up your Stripe or PayPal information, you can have PayPal over here. I see PayPal and Stripe and Razorpay. So there are like a bunch of different options. Zendit, PayU, Pugse, Guru, SSL Commerce, Skrill, Doku, Bcash, Cash Free, Maxi Cash. So all of these different payment options are available to you, and you can set them up, put in this information, and they will be available to your customers. People can accept the payments in these different options. Notifications, to get notifications about different events, the bonuses, the training. This is where you want to start. You want to learn all about the software by watching the training. There is Eduzign Cook Demo, Create Academy tutorials, lots of different tutorials right here. So make sure to watch them. And finally, custom domain. Well, I checked it out. I wasn't sure what exactly was it, but when I just put in a domain name, it just accepted it. So I think, I'm not so sure why you need it, because you can just CNAME your way and it just works. So maybe it's for just some record. Click on visit website and it takes you to the courses homepage. So this was Eduzign. And if you like this product, remember you should get it from me, because that means I will be able to give you not only great bonuses, but also Teknikforce rewards, and you can get my software. Yes, these are amazing applications, and you can get my software absolutely free when you pick up this software from me. I've got a great range of products, right? This is Complify. It's one of my products. Cloud Funnels, Course Funnels, Shop Funnels, TubeRank, Jeet, Livecaster, Vidco, Mighty Meme, Spinflux, Selly, Engagey, Groupster, Sendster, Mail Engine, List Janitor, Bloggy, Tarantula, Postifluence, Amplify, Tube Target, Leads to List, Complify. This is Converty, another one of my products. PeopleBots, Converty, Loggy Browser, Webinar Loop, Voicey, Pixie, AI Collective, and Vidscribe AI. These are the applications that I have today. And you can get my applications which I have today or in the future too using Teknikforce rewards points. So if you pick up this software, I will see you inside. This is Cyril Gupta, the best friend in your business, signing off.